Hi, this is Tech Boy with his first Python tutorial. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the Python website and download Python 2.5, which is what I'm doing right now. Click the first link, take you to the Python website, and then download the install file, which is just there. Click save and it will download. Now once you've downloaded and installed Python 2.5, you need to open it up. So you're going to want to open idle, and in brackets will say Python GUI, which is graphic user interface. Now you can just use this for mucking around with it sometimes, but for now you're going to want to click File, New Window. And whenever you make a new window, you always have to save it first, otherwise the Python code will not run. So you need to click Save As, and you can save it as whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it Python test.py. And now the py is very important. If you don't do .py when you save it, the code won't be recognized and it won't work. So once you've got everything set up like I have, we're going to start. So print is what I'm typing. That's what makes things get printed, really. It makes them appear on the screen when you run it. So then you put some inverted commas. That's very important, and you type what you want to appear. So I'm writing, hi, this is a Python string. And then you end it with more inverted commas. And then you go run module. You can see the shortcut key there is F5, and that's what I usually use. You should try using that too. You just got to click OK, and it'll save it. And then it runs, and it prints, hi, this is a Python string, which is what we want. And go ahead and close that window. And we're going to make it print some more. So print, inverted commas, type your text that you want to appear. This is also a Python string. Exclamation mark, inverted commas. Remember the inverted commas, otherwise it won't work. I'm going to run it again. Click OK. And it prints that as well. So that's really simple. All you've got to do is type print and you can get stuff to appear. That only works with text. The next thing we're going to do is write some comments. Now, comments don't get printed. So it's just more for writing a note to yourself for when you come back to your code so that you remember what you're doing. So I'm just going to write a little note here, or a memo, whatever you want to call it. A Python string is text, just to remind us what a Python string is. That's what they call them, a string. And this is a comment. Awesome, so now we know what printing is and what comments are. I'm just going to try run it again. Yeah, it's very important, you always have to keep running your code so you know that it works. So then it's not printed the comments, so the comments you can't see at all. You can only see them in your scripting window. They're just for really leaving a note for yourself for next time. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in my next tutorial.